This is the Bath Unfinished Sketches video jam. Quite a while ago, we tasked musicians of the Dreamiverse of raiding the vault of Bath and their Unfinished Sketches music collection, and of coming up with all sorts of remixes and tributes. They came up with all these tracks here. They're all absolute bangers, and now we've given the artists of Dreams an opportunity to make some music videos to go with some of these songs. Our first submission of the evening is from Orange Pixel Juice, and it's called Running in the Air. It uses music from Brandon Boy, and there's definitely a cool concept for a game in here. Orange Pixel Juice, thank you for entering the jam. Here we go. Magic. Like the introduction in the elevator's absolutely fantastic, and then as the eyes open as the elevator dings, and then we face what's happening in the corridor. Absolutely mental. It's like a dark, gritty reboot of Labyrinth, right? And that guy with the baby's David Bowie. It's amazing. It's really cool. And then at the end, like, you know, the camera zooming again. Perfect. Great concept. Really cool character. And thank you for entering the jam. We now move on to a second submission from Pixel Juice. And this is Monday Night Crew XOXO. Made in 5 minutes. It's Pudazuka and Ari Kiyo doing some jazz. And Pixel Juice, thank you for entering the jam. Here we go.
This is what you need. You need. This is what you need. You need.
it shows the power of dreams and the power of just giving music a little visualizer, that it was made in 5 minutes. It's incredible. You know, I imagine, took stuff, stamped it in, was like, this looks nice, stick it in a text box. Job done. Absolutely perfect. It's a wonderful video jam entry. It really is. It's an amazing scene for the music. It's so fitting. And it was made in 5 minutes. Incredible. Pixel Juice, thank you for entering the jam. It's really cool. I'm all for 5-minute entries. It's awesome. Now, we move on to a submission from Tricobalt, and this is called Facets of the Boff-like Cyber Prince. This uses music from Rate Samutmai, Fluffy and Sassy, Ditatori Game, and Black Cat Tracks. And Tricobalt, thank you for entering the jam. Super excited to check this out. Here we go. fantastic. Quite a journey, isn't it? And it's incredible seeing all the tracks mashed together and given these amazing visuals. Incredible from Tricobal, as always. And thank you for entering the jam. Amazing, and I know I'm going to be watching it again and fully absorbing it all. It's just incredible when you see it in full motion. There's a moment in particular near the start when it first, starts doing all that, and you're like, whoa. It genuinely takes your eyes a moment or two to adjust. It's really cool. We now move on to what is actually a late submission to last week's video jam. This is from Black Cat Tracks, but I'm still super excited to check this out. Late entries are fine, they're encouraged and super cool. So this is When the Dancers Think Some Random Guy Whose Mitten Caught Fire is the choreographer. Biddy's tip of the day, Witches Wear Mittens, Burn the Witch. Now that's Biddy's tip of the day, it's not necessarily AllStar's tip of the day. There's just a bit of a disclaimer, but I'm super excited to check this out. Here we go.
Big bad bass, big bad bass, big bad big bad big bad bass, big bad bass, big bad bass, bass 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 bass, big bad bass, big bad bass, big bad big bad big bad bass, big bad bass, big bad bass 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 bass, big bad bass bass, big bad bass bass, big bad big bad big bad bass bass, big bad bass bass, big bad bass 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 bass. Big bad bass part 2, OCT passing through. Return of the cat, return of the bee, return of the bad boy, that's a MC. OCT, BBB, hold tight the 10, yeah, MNC. Media molecule, thanks for the pick. That was heavy fam, that was sick. Big bad bass part 2, OCT passing through. Return of the cat, return of the bee, return of the bad boy, that's a MC. OCT, BBB, hold tight the 10, yeah, MNC. Media molecule, thanks for the pick. That was heavy fam, that was sick.
Big bad bass part 2. Big bad bass part 2. Big bad bass part 2.
Bigger, bigger, bigger and badder than the rest. Put yourself on fire to the test. Heavy like a bulletproof vest. Gonna need a rest. Bigger, bigger, bigger and badder than the rest. Put yourself on fire to the test. Heavy like a bulletproof vest. Gonna need a rest. Big bad bass, bass, big bad bass, bass, big bad, big bad, big bad bass, bass, big bad bass, bass, big bad bass, 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 part 2. Big bass, bass, big bad bass, bass, big bad, big bad, big bad bass, bass, big bad bass, bass, big bad bass, 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 part 2. The big bad bass, 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 the big bad, the big bad, the big bad bass, OCT, BBB, hold tight the 10, yeah, MNC. OCT, BBB, hold tight the 10, yeah, MNC. MNC. Bass, big bad bass, bass, big bad bass, big bad bass,
Absolutely magnificent. Incredible animations. I thought those puppets were dancing like fantastically well, and it worked with the song beautifully. And I'm still trying to figure out what's going on up here in the background. Who are they? What are they doing? But it's awesome stuff. I love it. It's an incredible bop and a really cool video. And I do believe, unless I check my notifications, I think that might be the end of the video jam. But there is still a video that came out this week that I'd like to play. It's certainly related. And yeah, that's the end of the submissions to this week's video jam. But also, earlier this week, we had the release of Dutty Cricket and the Bass Invaders. This is some music from Rake Shoe with visuals and concept and logic from Tony 1979, and it's not related to the video jam, but I'm just happy to play it and share it with y'all, because it came out this week and, you know, it's very much related. Here we go.
I live in that field next door, right? And all I can hear is boom, boom. Mate, I'm telling you now, turn it down. Boom, no, boom, no, boom, no, boom, no. Only vibration allowed in this nation is my stridulation. No, boom, no, boom, no. Only vibration allowed in this nation is my stridulation. My stridulation. Check this. Learn about stridulation at school, did ya? Too busy putting stuff in a Rizla. Thick as and twice as smelly. A big fat belly. Learn about stridulation at school, did ya? And I need to take a look at Wikipedia. Too busy putting stuff in a Rizla. Hold tight, David Attenborough.
Listen attentively to the pulsing rhythm.
turn it down. Mike, turn it down. Turn it down. Mike, turn it down. Turn it down. Mike, turn it down. Turn it down.
Lads, where you going, man? I was only joking. Come back. Jeez, that bass was heavy though, wasn't it, Scal?
There we go, absolutely marvellous. The music and the video work in progress were made for last week's ambient music jam, but now they're finished, and that's cool. So happy to share it, and it's not technically part of tonight's video jam, but we're still happy to share it. It's amazing stuff. Now, I'm going to quickly check my notifications again, but I do believe that brings us to the end of the jam. In fact, yes, it does. So, like, amazing job, everyone who firstly took part in the music jam and then also made videos for the video jam. Great job, everyone. It's great to see, and thank you, everyone, for taking part. And now we must move on to a vote for the next jam.